Hi, Team WWE 15 here, and in this video I am unboxing WWE Elite Series 21 Ryback. And here is the package. That is the Ryback figure. And this includes barbells and entrance shirt. And here is the back. Okay, so I will now unbox this. Okay, so here is the barbells, the shirt, and the figure. Here are the barbells. And here is the shirt. That's the back, and this is the front. And here is the figure. Hold on, let me adjust the pose of this figure. Okay. And here is the figure. And here is the Ryback figure with the shirt. Alright, so in this video, I unboxed WWE Elite Series 21 Ryback. Thank you for watching. Bye.